It's June 12, and today in Philippine history, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi was born in 1502 in Zumárraga, Spain. Di nyo ina-expect yun, ano? Legazpi was born to a privileged family. They occupied various leadership positions in government. Miguel moved to Mexico, where he started a family. In 1564, he was commissioned to lead an expedition to find the Spice Islands. Senior na siya nun. His crew included his son Melchor, grandson Felipe, navigator Father Andres de Urdaneta, among others. More than half the crew were from Mexico. When they arrived in the Philippines, the agenda was to befriend and or conquer. The native chiefs of Samar, Limasawa in Leyte, and Bohol struck alliances with the strangers. Legazpi landed in Cebu and overpowered the unwelcoming natives. He renamed the settlement Villa del Santísimo Nombre de Jesus. In 1569, he established a second settlement along the banks of the Panay River, then called Capiz. By this time, Legazpi's other grandson, Juan de Salcedo, had arrived from Mexico and was sent to conquer the Moros in the south. Legazpi also dispatched Martin de Goiti to explore the north. The attempts to establish access to the lucrative trading waters of the Pasig River Delta resulted in the Battle of Bangkusay of 1571 that ended in the subjugation of Maynila and Tondo under Spain. Legazpi proclaimed Manila as the capital in 1571. He also ordered the construction of the walled city of Intramuros. Legazpi remained in Manila while his men conquered other settlements in the north and south. The Spanish met strongest resistance from the Muslim sultanates, the Zambal tribes, and the Igorot tribes. The Legazpi-Urdaneta expeditions established the Manila Galleon trade route, which opened Asia, Latin America, and Europe to global trade. Legazpi was given the noble title of Adelantado Mayor Perpetuo de las Islas Filipinas for conquering an entire colony for the Spanish monarch. Legazpi died in 1572 from a stroke at the age of 70. He was in the Philippines for only 8 years. You can find his tomb complete with an effigy at the San Agustin Church in Manila. It is a strange coincidence that the very first conquistador, the first governor-general who established Spanish dominion over the Philippines, was born on the same day as the independence of the people he sought to conquer. Maligayang araw na kalayaan at mabuhay ang bayang hindi pasisiil sa mga manlulupig. O diba?
Meow meow.